Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the WeChat application on your PC. So let's get started right away. Now from your Windows device, open up the Microsoft Store from the taskbar, or you can also search for it using the search box. Once the Microsoft Store application is opened up, make sure that you are logged into your Microsoft account, and then you will see the search box. Just tap on this or click on it and type in WeChat and start your search. You will see the WeChat application within the search results, so click on it and you will be shown the details about the application. Now click on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of WeChat on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed. And when you see the open button, you can click on it to open up the WeChat application, and then you can continue with signing up to create your new account or logging into your existing one. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the WeChat application on your PC. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.